Here is a very common situation. You go to shop A, they look at the car and say, "This part is bad, it needs to be replaced." Then you start shopping by price. You come to shop B and ask, "Can you just replace this part? Shop A already diagnosed it." From the outside, that sounds reasonable. From the inside, this is where problems start. Now let me be very clear. As shop B, I also want to earn money by replacing the part you asked for. That's normal repair work. There is nothing wrong with that. The problem starts if the part is replaced and the issue is still there. At that moment, the customer naturally expects an explanation. Why didn't this fix the problem? And now shop B has only two options. Option 1. Shop B starts figuring it out for free. That means real diagnostic work, time, tools, experience, attention. From a business point of view, that time is simply lost. No one pays for it. This is not sustainable, especially when it happens regularly. Option 2. Shop B says, "The repair didn't solve the problem. Now we need to diagnose it properly." That means adding a diagnostic charge on top of a repair that didn't help. Now the customer is even more frustrated. I already paid, and now you want more money? So here is the problem. Working for free hurts the business. Charging after the repair hurts the relationship. Either way, shop B loses. Now one more important point. Diagnostics are hard to sell, so some shops undercharge for diagnostics, offer flat fees, or advertise free inspections. But the cost does not disappear. It shows up later as higher parts prices or extra labor. That creates the illusion that diagnostics are cheap, until something goes wrong. Here is how we avoid this situation. We do not offer free diagnostics, and we do not just replace parts based on outside conclusions. If we diagnose the car, we take responsibility. If another shop diagnosed it, they should perform the repair and stand behind it. This avoids confusion, conflict, disappointment. So there are two clear choices. If another shop diagnosed your car, let them do the repair. If you want us to work on your car, start with diagnostics here. Both options are fair. Mixing them is not. We are not trying to be difficult. We are trying to avoid a situation where the repair doesn't work, expectations collapse, and everyone is unhappy. That situation helps no one.